Hello everybody, in today's video I'll show you how to manage and fix account settings conflicts on FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a trusted job platform that helps users find remote, work from home, freelance and flexible jobs, and all jobs listing are hand screened. Sometimes incorrect or conflicting account setting can stop you from seeing the right job, so let's fix that. So first you need to open to the browser and go to the official FlexJob website. Type down flexjob.com and enter it. And after that you need to enter. Over here, when you reach into the dashboard of the FlexJob, you need to select to the account or the setting depending on your layout. Over here, select to this profile icon. This section lets you control your personal details, preferences, and security options. And here again, you need to select to this account details. And over here in this interface, you can update your name, email address, and password. Make sure your email is correct and verified so you do not miss important notifications or job alerts. And you can also review your job preferences, choose the type of work you want, such as remote, freelance, part-time, or full-time over here, and the experience level and schedule preferences to get better job recommendations. And also select job categories, experience level, and schedule preferences to get better job recommendations. And after making changes, you can tap on the save changes in the bottom. And that's how you can manage your account setting in FlexJobs easily. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusions on managing the FlexJob account, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.